Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix all the network issues and the errors on your Windows. So you have to watch the video in order to know what method or solution will best work for you. So I will share to you different methods. So just simply try as to what will work for you. Click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you'll find Network and Internet with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Network and Internet Troubleshooter because this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. So I will not just click Manual because you might have different issues to be detected. But the good thing about this is that this will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try running the Network and the Internet Troubleshooter and then simply close out of here once you're done. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here in the block window, just simply type this command: ip config /flush DNS. It's ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then type CMD again in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator. Now type this command: NATSH winsock reset catalog. It's NATSH winsock reset catalog, hit enter. Successfully reset the WinSec catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Type exit, hit enter. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then in the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here you need to type this command: NATSH INT IP reset dot log. It's NATSH INT IP reset.log, hit enter. Now restart the computer to complete this action. Type exit, hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then we also need to make sure that our network driver adapter is updated. So make a right click at the start button, select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, locate your network adapters. Locate your Wi-Fi, make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close out of here. Then in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to click on your connection. Make a right click, select properties. Now the properties window will appear. Click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. And another window will appear. Then you have this option: use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate, type here 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. And then close this windows. Then for the final method, click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Network and the Internet. You'll find Advanced Network Settings. You'll find Network Reset. Then you have to click on the Reset Now button, and this will reset or restart your PC. Restart your PC, but will reset the network. So after that, you just need to reconnect again into your network, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.